Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a glitch on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on Pinterest app, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here and above you can search about Pinterest app and you can click. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.